How you doing? Dave Baradinelli with MarineMax Boston, and today we're going to take you through this new 2024 Boston Whaler 325 Conquest. On this 325, we've equipped it with the new V10 400s, of course joystick controlled. This particular model has the cockpit grill option, generator. You have a full pull-out bench seat, as well as the optional port side bench seat. You've got a standard dive door, starboard side. Coming into the boat, this boat you'll notice has the full side glass window option. It has cockpit air and heat. It has the opening hatches on the hardtop, and of course a drop aft curtain so you can enclose this entire helm area. There is the optional refrigerator, starboard side. Above that, the freshwater sink. At the helm, you've got dual Simran screens. Of course, all of your engine management is going to be integrated into those joystick control and the newest Mercury Verado DTS controls. Coming down into the cabin, you'll notice you've got your forward sitting area with a high-low table. That of course converts to a bed for two adults comfortably. In the aft cabin, you've got another sleeping area for two adults. Port side, you've got your full galley, single burner stovetop, isotherm refrigerator, and of course a microwave. Going into the enclosed head, you're gonna have a hot and cold shower. It is a wet head, and of course you'll have a Dometic vacuum flush toilet with overboard discharge. Down in the cabin, you'll also notice you've got a flat screen TV on a pivot mount. Of course, this cabin's going to have full AC and heat. Thanks for watching this walkthrough of the Boston Whaler 325 Conquest. For more information, visit us at www.marinemax.com or call me at 401-569-3874.